friends, it's Friday night, it's December 13th and the Christmas countdown is coming down to single digit. It's Friday night. I feel like we need a cocktail, and this evening I'm going to start doing the dough for our tradition, which is making some gingerbread cookies. It's the festive season. Let's make a fun cocktail, shall we? It is cookie time. The recipe that I'm following today is taste better from scratch.
Bacon, eggs and cheese, mayo, and churro.
Oh yeah,
It's messy.
perfect. You wanted to say hi? Hi. For everyone that's been following along, remember in the last vlog we started a sour bread starter, and look how great it looks. Look at the nice bubbles. But you know what? I haven't fed it in 5 days, and I think that there's mold at the top, so that means that we're gonna have to start over. And this will be for another video, because today we're focusing on the cookies, but I just wanted to give you a quick update. Another fell to add to the list, and this one was totally my fault though. Every time that I thought about it, I was like, I cannot be bothered, so it is my fault. I won't let this down. We're gonna do it again. All right guys, are we ready to make some cookies? Perfect. So one. Oops, you're fine. I feel like my rolling pin's gonna break. It's a good idea. This is JD's and this is mine. So we lost a few men in battle, but it's okay.
We're gonna. That's good.
It's good.
It's more molassy than ginger. Yeah, it's good.
Let's try to decorate some gingerbread man. Okay, let's do the outer bit. This is not a good start. It's ugly. And I just always think it's so easy. It never is. Instagram versus reality. Oh! At least it tastes nice.
Yeah, that's the best.
Oh, this one is so sad. Oh, this one's my favorite, I think. Sad. When I imagine it in my head, it just always looks so much
It's
better.
funny.
It is.
Laugh.
Yeah, it's funny. You're right. You're right. You're right. All right. Like JD said, it was a good laugh, but I just want to remind you. Same, right? This weekend is the last weekend before the Christmas festivities start. This evening, we've decided that we were going to do a little special night in, and we're going to be watching Christmas movies from our childhood. I thought that would be really fun to make a fort. I think it's going to be really fun. I have an idea for what we're going to do. I'm not going to make like a crazy intricate fort or anything like this, and of course, you know, we're gonna have some popcorn and we're gonna have some gingerbread cookies. It's gonna be great. Okay, I think what makes sense is to have command hooks going from here to there, and then I'm gonna take some hemp rope and tie it up from each extremity. And after that, I'll be able to put a sheet over, and then we'll be able to get a little bit of depth there. And then we can kind of have like a door situation. I think we just have to kind of roll with it and see where that leads us. I love command hooks. If you've ever been a renter, this is the greatest invention known to man. No doubt. I don't know if that is structurally sound. We're going to attempt to put a sheet on this and see what happens. It just never works how I plan it in my head, but it's okay. If you don't try, you will never know. Okay, this is a big moment of truth. What's up? Oh, it's a caribou! Indy's growling at the TV. See, it's not real. It's not real. You're safe. You're safe. All right, this is the fort. I think it does not look so shabby, right? It's cozy. We have a mattress down here. We'll have our movie. Of course, you know, the fairy lights. The second pair that I had was broken, so we're only making do with what we have. And from upstairs, it kind of looks pretty good. I love our little nook at night. It looks so cute with the little fairy lights. It's just so cozy and warm and comfy. What I didn't tell you guys, and I think this is what I'm the most excited about, is about this cookie box. This gives me grandma vibes, grandma energy, and I think that I deserve this. So give me a medal. Now it's time to transfer our gorgeous gingerbread man cookies into this jar so they are well preserved. And if someone, I don't know, JD comes to the house and I'm like, do you want a cookie? He can just pick the cookie that he wants from the cookie jar. I think it just makes sense. It just makes sense. I love it. Give JD this one. Everybody, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here. I want to thank you so much if you made it all the way till the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, leave a like and a comment if you feel up to it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!